guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel. Well, I just got back from Rajasthan a couple of days ago, and like any other tourist, I did manage to shop a few things. And in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you all the things that I've got. So honestly, I don't know a lot of markets or bazaar before going to Rajasthan. I did not know where to shop from or anything. So whatever I've got, it's all by exploring on my own and all of that. But I'm sure there are going to be a lot of markets that I may not be aware of. But I'm sure if you know any, you will let me know in the comments below. You just tweet like that. Anyway, all the stuff that you're going to be seeing today are from my own experiences, and I'm going to be telling you all about how I got them and at what price did I get them for, and how you can also bargain and get the best costs while shopping. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start and let me show you guys everything. So yeah, I visited Udaipur, Pushkar and Jaipur. I did not like shop anything from Udaipur because honestly I felt everything was like way too expensive. And since Udaipur was also our first stop, I was like, okay, maybe I can get similar stuff at Pushkar or Jaipur. So I did not like spend a lot in Udaipur. But yeah, I really got some amazing stuff from Pushkar and Jaipur. So yeah, let me start with Pushkar. Starting with, okay, I got this like really aqua blue diary from the Pushkar Mela. Pushkar Mela happens every once a year during November, and that's the reason I was there. The complete Mela is lit, and there are like way too many shops. There are a lot of shops, and there are shopkeepers selling the same stuff on the entire road. Plus, the Pushkar market was so huge that everything is in walking distance. Pushkar is like this small, so everything is in walking distance, and that's a good part, I guess, because that way you can explore a lot. I was like going through every shop. So on my first day of Pushkar, I was like analyzing each shop and making notes in my head of what do I want and where can I get it at good price. So I used to ask the rates at almost every shop. Like I wanted a diary, and then I wanted a few things more. So I was asking, and I was like, okay, fine. I may get to bargain here, or I may not get to bargain here, or there might be some stuff that only single particular shop is selling. So I was like, okay, yeah. So that's how I discovered, and on my second day I actually went out to shop. So there was this shop, okay, they told me these diaries cost you like about 250 rupees, and I was like, oh no, I don't want to spend like that much on a diary. So yeah, I went to another shop, and that's where he told me like 100, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna give you 50, and he was like, okay, fine, 50 is fine. So from 350 in one shop to 50 rupees in another shop, I got this diary for that low cost. And yeah, it's like pretty cool. That's how the diary looks. It has a camel and uh, some things written in Sanskrit on the covers. For 50 rupees, this is such a steal. Then from Pushkar itself, I got like a fridge magnet of this camel. I got it for like 30 rupees or something, yeah, and it's so cute. The camel is so cute. Then I got this bag. Guys, I love this bag. This is like pure jute. It has like the wooden handle, and there's a lot of space also inside, and the material is really amazing. I literally got 3 of them for my family. Okay, let me tell you, I got this bag for 100 rupees only. I don't know why. Like the seller told me 120, and I was like, "Nee, bhaiya, 100 mein de do," and he gave me for 100. I was so ready to give him 120 also, but then I just asked him, if I'm taking 3 bags, just give me for 100 each, and he was like, "Yeah, okay, cool." He did give us for 100, and they're so cool. Like I love this bag. Also, I've gifted this to my mom, but I feel I'm gonna use this more because it's just so good. The material is so good, and the style and everything is so good. I actually do not find it anywhere else. There were just 2 shops selling this. It's lovely. 100 rupees for this. Wow. Then another thing that I got are these chappals. Mojdi, chappals only, not mojdis. Yeah, I also got them for like I got them for 30 rupees. Yeah, I remember it pretty well. There was this guy who was selling Someti, like 300-400 rupees, and yeah, I just got them for 30 rupees, which is not bad because the material is Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. It's not like, Raste ka maal saste mein wala type. But it's pretty sturdy and even the style is cool. Let's see how long they last. Even if I wear them for like 2 or 3 times, it's totally worth it. I mean, 30 rupees, guys. Really. The best part about Pushkar Mela was that there were so many dream catchers, all in different styles, all lit and different colors and patterns. And I was so sure that I'm gonna take one home for sure. Like, I've not been to Bali, but I've seen when people post their pictures about Bali. I've seen those dream catchers there, and I was like, okay, they are here in Pushkar. Wow, I didn't know. Drum rolls, please. Oh, that is so good. I hope you can see the dream catcher like completely. Just have a look. So wide and I don't know, yeah, I just loved it. The other shops in Pushkar, they were selling it for like 800 rupees, 900 rupees. But the shop that I went, he gave me this for 400 rupees only. And I went like so crazy. I'm like, okay, I'm just getting it, just give it to me ASAP. So good tip, if you cannot make it to Bali to get this dream catcher, you can go to Pushkar and get one for like 400 rupees. Only. There's this one kurta that I got for my brother. It's in khadi cotton material. The color is really cool. I got this one for like 200 rupees only, and my friend bought this exact same one from Udaipur for like 400 rupees after bargaining. And in this, I did not even have to bargain. And we've got a scarf which I don't have right now, and I'll insert it on the screen. That's the scarf that we got. We got it for like 60 rupees only. The scarf was like really good in styling all the clothes. I mean, especially for guys, if you've seen like both of my friends all their clothes, and also if you see in the same picture, a friend of mine wore the same khadi cotton trousers. We got that for 200 rupees as well. So yeah, Pushkar Market is for boys as well. It's not just for girls. You can get everything. You can get everything for everyone. I don't think this counts in a haul or something. I don't know if you guys might be interested in seeing this, but I got this lasun ka chutney because I wanted something like really spicy. Rajasthan is known for its spices, like they're really spicy spices. But yeah, I really wanted to try something like that, and the local people suggested me to get one of this, so I just got this lasun ki chutney. It is like it's for 30 rupees only, so no harm in trying. I haven't tried it yet, but I do plan to do that soon. Okay, so those were the things from Pushkar. Now coming to Jaipur, I did not get a lot of time in Jaipur, so I couldn't even shop a lot. But I did get a few things, and just like 2-3 stuff is my most favorite buy from Rajasthan because these are pretty cool mojris. You can style it any way you want. The shopkeeper told me 550 for this. I loved it so much, and I bargained and got it for like 300 rupees. This is my most favorite purchase. After the Dreamcatcher, of course, I also got this. I really like this color. I don't know what color exactly would you call it, but I really like this, and even the shape of it. So I got this for like 150 rupees from the same shop, by the way. So yeah, he gave me a good deal in both of them. Water break. Yeah, I also got this neck piece, choker neck piece from Bapo Bazaar. Honestly, I don't know. I wasn't really impressed with the jewelry at whatever market I was. I had a lot of expectations, but not really. They did not match up. They were all the same stuff or similar stuff. So first of all, they were selling it at a very high cost as well because I shop from Rani No Hajiro, which is in Ahmedabad. So I know the prices of the same stuff, and I was like, no, I'm not paying you that much cost for that. But I did like this one, which I did not see anywhere else, and I wanted a choker like this since quite a long time. So I got this. I got this for 100, which is good. I also got this like pretty jhumkas. I like the fact that it has like a proper star around it. So yeah, I got it for 100 rupees again. It's really nice. I think we're done. Anyway, yeah, that was it. And I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the haul. I have mentioned every possible thing in the video, but if you have any more doubts, you can just ask me in the comments, and I'll try and answer them, of course. Let me end the video right here now. Do wait for the Rajasthan trailer that's coming up soon after this video for sure. Yeah, I will end the video right here now, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, press the bell icon, whatever, all the stuff. And yeah, I'll see you soon.